With Studio by Sticker Mule, designing your own business card takes minutes. Let's create one for a personal trainer. While we can choose to design our business card from scratch, Studio offers an ever-expanding library of free templates. So we'll start there. We can find business card templates under branding. Already we're seeing some designs that would work well for a personal trainer. Let's go with this one. Now that we're in the Studio editor, we can make any necessary changes to the design. To start, let's swap out the text. This business card will be for Herman Mule, and for the title, we'll use Personal Trainer. Let's change the phone number, and the gym Herman will be operating out of is Hard and Heavy. Let's change the social handle too. Now this is already looking great, and we could stop right here. But let's really make it our own by customizing it. We can select all the elements and change every instance of blue to a different color. For Hard and Heavy, let's go with a deep red. Perfect. Next, let's change the font. Arvo seems like it would work well with our gym name, Hard and Heavy. Lastly, let's go into the Assets sidebar and see if there is a final way we can customize this design. The emojis and other graphics don't feel like a good fit here, but a line would help to separate the top and bottom portions of the design. Let's use this basic line. We'll move it into place, extend it across the entire design, make it red, and increase the thickness a bit. Maybe we could also nudge this kettlebell down so it looks like it's resting on our new line. Great. Let's select Preview to get one last good look at our business card. Looking good, Herman. Once we're happy, we can either download it as one of several formats or select Print to place an order. And that's all it takes to make your very own business card. We hope you enjoyed this video and that with Studio, your next design project takes less time and less money. Take care.